Om Tapasvine Namaha.
So Tapovana Shishya, naturally he has to be Tapasvi. He is born from Tapovan Maharaj. So born in Tapovan Maharaj, born from Tapovan Maharaj, or born through Tapovan Maharaj. So naturally a Tapasvi. And in Uttarakashi, when he was living in those days, his kutia was, Gurudev was very tall. He had to bend to his toes to enter his kutia. Every day to enter imagine if you have to enter your room, you have to touch your toes, then only you can enter. What will happen? You will be outstanding. Because some have not seen their toes. Because something blocks. Madhya Pradesh is blocking some. Not seen the toes for a lifetime. So he has to bend to the toes to enter his kutia. And Tapovan Maharaj also knew that. He said, Chinmaya, jitna jhukoge, utna uppar jaoge. The more you bend, the more higher you go. हमारा हिंदी कैसी थी? Not bad. Huh? Yesterday only I attended the Hindi annual day. That's how I could a little bit catch up. So the more we, like the bowstring, more the bow bends to the archer's will, the target. So, the word tapa, ta-pa, two letters. Opposite of it? Ta-pa, pa-ta, ta-pa-pa-ta. Pata means? Remember, Raghupati Raghava. Raja Ram Patita Pavan. Patita Pavan. There is no Patita. Patita Pavana. Not Patita Pavana. Patita. Swamiji, if you Patita, so tune nahi aati Swamiji. I cannot sing. Now Swamiji, you spoiled my tune completely. Now I cannot even sing. One song I could sing, Raghupati Raghava Rajaram. And now that song also you cancelled. Now I can't sing now. When somebody is singing, now I can't enjoy that also now. So how will you sing? Raghupati Raghava Rajaram Patita Pavana Sitaram Patita Pavana Sitaram. Isn't it? That's the right way to sing. But somehow, Patita Pavana Sita. But at least you should know Patita. Patita means fallen. So, if I am Pata, then how to get out? Tapa. That's the only way to get out. So, he gives that. So, he himself is a tapasvi. So, to come out of that wretched situation, the gold, in order to shine, how much from the gold ore to bring out the golden shine, how much it has to go through. So too, whenever we are going through boiling, burning, broiling, baking, these are the words used for oven. Isn't it? So whenever we are going such experiences, understand, I'm shining. Look at yourself now and then. Ask others, am I shining? Am I shining? Isn't it? Those are the situations of shining. So, tapa, pata. And Gurudev's greatest tapas, all must have observed that. There's a definition of tapas. Aikagriyam paramam tapaha. Aikagriyam means Eka agra. Eka, one. Agra, tip. One pointedness or single pointedness. Single pointedness is the greatest tapas. Single pointedness of what? Single pointedness of the senses, mind, and intellect. And those who were in the presence of Gurudev, we observed how single pointed he was. If you are talking to him, you are asking something to him, you alone exist for him. You felt that total attention for you. Everyone felt that. Whatever he was doing, he was at it. Total attention, total alertness and vigilance. So when anybody asked Gurudev for a message, or they gave, Swamiji, my notebook, I want yours as the first message, please. And he used to write, learn to bring your mind where your hands are working. Learn to bring your mind where your hands are working. You see your situation. Now itself, is your mind here? If your mind is here, smile. Our mind is generally 20 miles away from the body. 20 miles away. First of all, he gets up late. When he gets up late, everything rush. What a shower, shave simultaneously. Shower, shave, brush, all together done. And then run to the closet to wear the suit. When he wears the suit, at strategic points, the buttons are missing. Now again, another suit. And rush up and then run. When he runs down, devoted wife, she has made piping hot coffee and breakfast. He says, honey, no time, I'll eat something there. And he takes the attaché, runs to the car, opens the car, keeps the attaché in the passenger seat, sits down, takes the sacred thread and puts it. And what? Car keys. Car key is not there. At that time, Sanskrit words come out. I don't know that Sanskrit. That's archaic. Those I don't know those. And he again opens the car to go, and the sacred thread stops him. Again some Sanskrit words. Again, and goes up to the master bedroom. When he reaches the master bedroom, he says, why did I come here? Why did I come? He doesn't remember. Then again he comes. When he comes, car keys. Literally he says japa, car keys. Like this, a dead carcass. Body moving, mindless. Mindless body. This is our situation. So, aikagryam paramam tapaha. To bring the mind where the hands are working. That is the greatest tapas. But then you are a tapasvi if you are practicing. To the extent we practice that, we are tapasvi. So, aikagryam paramam tapa means presence of mind in the live present is a precious gift. So, we have to use the presence of mind. Then, the highest tapas, final tapas, is what Ramana Maharshi gives. In the Gita also comes physical tapas, emotional, mental tapas, intellectual tapas, all are given when we come to Gita chapter. At that time we will see. In Upadeshasara, which I already covered, so those who have attended also do not remember, so don't worry if you have not attended. Swamiji, I didn't attend. Ask the people who have attended, do they remember? So don't know. Because all the texts I teach is meant for one person. Only one person. One person has been attending all the 25 years of teaching. So, in Upadeshasara, verse number 30, Ahamapetakam nijavibhanakam mahadidam tapo ramanavagiyam. It's a beautiful verse. Ahamapetakam nijavibhanakam mahadidam tapaha ramanavagiyam. Ahamapetakam means aham, what you have, this I. Apetakam. The fall of this ego. the destruction of this ego, when this I thought dies, the destruction of the I thought is Nija Vibhanakam. The real I shines. When the I thought dies, I live. See the beauty of this. So, Ahamapetakam, Nija Vibhanakam. This Ahamapetakam is Mahadidam Tapah. Idam Mahat Tapas. Mahadidam Tapaha. The greatest tapas is when the I thought falls and the real I shines. We have all I fallen into I thought. That's called Pata. Pata means fallen. Who? I. Where did I fall? Into I thought. And I am thinking I thought is I am. When this I thought falls and the I shines, that is the greatest tapas. How do you say that? How do you say this is the greatest tapas? Ramana Vak Iyam. This is the Vak of Ramana. Ramana Maharishi. And true to his name, Ramana means reveling. One who is reveling in the self as the self. That is Ramana. Atma Ramanam, reveling in the self. So he is Atmaram. We are, see that word automatically, even North Indians know that name. Atmaram he is. We are Sapadram. Sapadram means food Ram. Sapad, don't think only of the food that goes into your mouth. If that only food going to the mouth is food, then not much problem would occur. All the food, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, and all the Navarasas, all these are Sapadrama. So we are Sapadrama and he is Atmarama. So when the Sapadrama dies, then Atmarama shines. That's the goal. For that purpose, tapas. And Gurudev was a tapasvi. So the great main is the alertness and vigilance. That's the greatest tapas.
Om Tapasvine Namaha.